What's the difference between baby cobra, cobra, and upward facing dog? So many back bends. Baby cobra is what we call the smallest version of cobra. Your elbows are hugging in, your whole belly and pelvis and thighs are on the floor, and you're peeling your chest up off the ground using your upper middle back muscles. Cobra is at the same spot. Your hands remain in the same place. You're just pressing into the hands to lift the rest of your torso up. However, your thighs and the front of your pelvis are still on the floor. Elbows are bent, shoulder heads are rolling back. And then upward facing dog will have you slide your hands back a little bit further, push the arms all the way to straight, and create a tension bridge. Notice my thighs were on the floor with my elbows bent for cobra. Up dog, my arms are pushing to straight, my thighs are lifting up off the ground. I'm spreading across the collarbones, drawing my shoulder blades together and pressing them forward. Yeah, and then we try not to crunch the neck. Keep your neck nice and long. Baby cobra, cobra, upward facing dog. If you're sick of not being exactly sure what is going on in yoga class, I would love to introduce you to my no bullshit yoga pose library. My no bullshit yoga pose library covers over 90 of the most common yoga poses that you see in most yoga classes. And it breaks down exactly how to practice them in your body. Because what you do and what your neighbor does are going to be two different things. And what happens when you feel this weird tug at the back of your knee? And why is it that your shoulder feels funny when you wrap your arm behind your back? And how are you supposed to know how to use that complicated strap contraption? How do you use a block in this pose or that? My goal is to empower you to own your time on the mat, to feel so good in your body, and to know exactly what's going on in yoga class. If you want to hang out with me and go deeper, click the link below in the description. That will take you to a page where you can enter your email to get access to my free Chaturanga pose breakdown. Chaturanga is the yogi push-up. And on that same page will be a super sneaky discount on my no bullshit yoga pose library, so you can feel like a badass on your mat and stop wondering what the heck you're supposed to do. I've got you.